In the Heart of the Word. Reflections by Father Joseph Mary, SCTJM, on the daily readings from the Holy Mass, Wednesday of the second week of Ordinary Time, Memorial of Our Lady of Pontmain. Let us entrust our battles to Our Lady.
God bless you, dear family. Today in the Heart of the Word, David confronts Goliath and the Philistines, who were threatening Israel. With only a sling and 5 stones, David entrusts his battle to the Lord, and he slays Goliath with a single stone. On this day in 1871, we remember Our Lady of Hope, who appeared in Pontmain, France, where there was the threat of invasion from Prussian forces. Our Lady said, "Pray, my children. God will answer before long. My son lets himself be moved." After praying the rosary and singing hymns for 3 hours, Our Lady disappeared and the Prussian forces withdrew without explanation. My brothers and sisters, what battles do we face in our own day? Perhaps they are within our culture, our families, our relationships, even within our hearts. Wherever they may be, we must return to prayer, where we simply entrust our battles to Our Lady. Today, Our Lady also gives us 5 stones to defeat the Goliaths of our time. Prayer with the heart, the Holy Rosary, Holy Mass, prayer with the sacred scriptures, weekly fasting, and monthly confession. Our Lady is also telling us, "Pray, my children. God will answer before long. My son lets himself be moved." Let us listen to these words of Mother Adela. It is time to hand over our battles by uniting ourselves to the army of the Immaculate and by staying firm and unshakable in our faith and the values of the kingdom of heaven. All for the heart of Jesus, through the heart of Mary. Our Lady of Pontmain, pray for us.